All right, so in this question, we are supposed to divide two complex numbers by each other. The first one is -8 plus 3i divided by 5 plus 7i, all right? And the way it works that you need to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator always, right? So in order to get rid of the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by the conjugate, which is 5 minus 7i. And you multiply top and bottom because you want to change the value of the expression, right? So you're going to multiply this and this. Now, the bottom part, it should be the easiest one because let me remind you, if I have in complex number, if I have a plus bi and multiplied by its conjugate, which is a minus bi, this is going to give me the sum of squares. So it's not the difference of squares as whenever we multiply real numbers, but this became a squared plus b squared. And this is due to the fact that whenever I have the second term, we would have I squared, so it would change the sign. I squared is -1, so it would flip the sign. And this will save us a lot of time. Why? Because the bottom is basically done right now. So what I'm going to do, the denominator is going to be 5 squared, which is 25, plus 7 squared, which is 49. So we know what is on the denominator without any possible error. Now, for the numerators, we don't have any other choice but to make it the regular distribution. So we start -8 times 5, that's -40. And then -8 times -7. And this is going to be positive 56i. And then 3i times 5, this is going to be 15i. And the next one, plus 3i times -7i. And that's going to be -21i squared. Okay, so again, what you want to keep in mind that I squared as well is a -1. -1 times -21, that's you're going to flip the sign, you're going to be +21. So the expression will become here on the numerator -40 plus 56i plus 15i and then plus 21. Divide everything by 25 plus 49. All right, so we can combine the like terms now. So if I do so, this now what I got -40 here plus 21. That's going to give me -19. Then I'm going to group these two together. All right, and that's plus 56 plus 15. That's going to be 71i plus 71i. And on the bottom, I'm going to group 25 and 49. That's going to be 74. So now I want my expression in the form of a plus bi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the denominator in two parts. So this is going to be -19 over 74 plus 71 over 74. And this should be the final answer.